Hey there, how's it going? This is Ash from Fetch Profits. If you were looking to add a table of contents to your WordPress blog post, then this is how it's gonna look like. So this table of contents is added manually. I'm not using any plugins for this, and it's an easy way to go about it. And pay attention to this video until the very end. Now, if you create a table of contents, this is how it's gonna look like. It's gonna have a simple numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you're gonna have your items listed here. Click on rewind, it comes to rewind backups. If you click on tiny, it jumps to tiny backups and so on and so forth. It's also great for your SEO juice. Having said that, after you are done with your introduction to your blog post, press enter and add something like table of contents here. You can even make it little bold if you want to. Instead of writing table of contents, you could actually write something that's SEO friendly and so on. So this is an SEO friendly title instead of adding table of contents. And after that, you would add a number here, and then you would add a simple list of all of the things that you wanted to create a table of contents with. I will show you two so that I keep the videos shorter. After you do this, you go back to the heading where you actually created that piece of content. Select that, and to the right, after you select this particular first item in your list, the first subheading, for example, that's what you normally create a table of contents for. Get to this part where it says advanced, and there is an item here that says HTML anchor. So please give a name that you can remember well. So because this is rewind backups, that's the name of the Shopify app that I'm listing on this particular blog post, I'm adding rewind. And I go down here, select backup master, and if I get down here to HTML anchor, I can create one that says backup master. So repeat the process for each of these subheadings. Let's assume that you've created two HTML anchors. One is rewind and one is backup master. Get to the top where you created a simple list. Select this, add the hyperlink, add a hashtag, and add the name that you added there in the HTML anchor. And then press enter, and your rewinds could repeat this and finish it for all of the subheadings that you want to create as a part of your table of contents. If you were to preview this, you'll be able to see how it works. Click on Save Draft and then go to this View port here and click on Preview in New tab. Be able to see how the post might actually look like. And if I click on, let's say, WD Backups shows up here. And if I click on Shopify export shows up here. So this is how your table of contents can look like even without using a plugin. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can comment below. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe to the channel. This is Ash from Fetch Profits signing out.